Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best cat toothbrush is probably one of the most innovative and convenient solutions for pet owners looking to maintain their feline friends' oral hygiene without the usual struggle, offering a unique approach that encourages cats to engage in the cleaning process themselves, making dental care less of a chore and more of a natural activity for your beloved pet. Number 5. Cat Toothbrush and Toothpaste Kit. Give your feline friend the gift of a healthy smile. This comprehensive kit is designed for their daily oral hygiene needs. Our specially formulated dental gel is flavor-free, ensuring your cat accepts it readily. It's perfect for maintaining fresh breath and healthy gums. Cleaning your cat's teeth has never been easier. The ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling, making dental care a breeze. Combat plaque and tartar buildup effectively with our advanced formula. Promote better oral health for cats of all ages. Whether you have a playful kitten or a mature adult cat, this kit is suitable for all life stages. Ensure their dental health from the start. This all-in-one pack provides everything you need for daily oral care. Invest in their long-term health and happiness with this essential dental kit. What we like. This kit comes with a flavor-free dental gel, perfect for cats who are sensitive to tastes. It includes both a finger brush and a handle brush, offering versatility in how you clean your cat's teeth. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution with options for application, this is a great choice. What people say. The suction cup design is a game changer. It sticks firmly to the wall and doesn't fall off. My cat actually enjoys chewing on it, which helps clean their teeth naturally. It's easy to refill with cat toothpaste, and the bristles are soft enough not to hurt their gums. Number 4. Jasper 360 Dog Toothbrush Kit. Experience a patented design with all-around silicone bristles that clean every tooth surface simultaneously. It removes 3x more plaque than standard brushes, leading to visibly whiter teeth and fresher breath in just 7 to 10 days. Crafted from 100% food-grade silicone, its ultra-soft bristles are gentle on even the most sensitive gums. This makes it ideal for puppies, seniors, and pets with gingivitis, providing deep cleaning without irritation. The unique finger fit design offers precise 360 degrees control, allowing you to easily clean hard-to-reach back molars. It's the fastest and most effective way to ensure thorough dental care for your pet. Unlike traditional brushes, its soft silicone texture is comfortable and even enjoyable for pets. Many owners report their dogs now accept brushing willingly, transforming dental care from a struggle into a calm routine. This long-lasting kit comes as a 2-pack and can be used daily for 6 to 12 months. It's dishwasher safe and fully sterilizable, offering a more economical choice compared to disposable alternatives. Perfectly designed to function as both a cat toothbrush and a dog toothbrush, it's suitable for all breeds, from the smallest to the largest. It ensures effective dental cleaning for all your furry companions. Simply add a few drops of water for a perfect, secure fit on any finger, thin or thick. It stays in place throughout the cleaning process, ensuring a consistent and effective dental clean every time. What we like. Experience superior cleaning with its patented 360-degree silicone bristles that remove 3x more plaque. The ultra-soft bristles are gentle on sensitive gums, making it ideal for puppies, seniors, or pets with gingivitis. If you have a pet with delicate gums or want the most thorough clean possible, this is the brush for you. What people say. The suction cup design is a great feature. It sticks well to the floor and my cat can brush her teeth by herself. My cat actually enjoys brushing her teeth with this toothbrush. The texture is good for cleaning and it's easy to use. Number 3. Jasper 360-degree Dog Toothbrush Kit. Experience a patented, all-around clean that removes 3x more plaque than standard brushes. You'll see visibly whiter teeth and fresher breath in just 7 to 10 days. Crafted from ultra-soft, food-grade silicone, it's ideal for puppies, seniors, and pets with sensitive gums. Achieve a deep clean without any irritation or bleeding. The unique finger fit design offers 360 degrees control, easily reaching back molars and other hard-to-access areas for a thorough clean. The soft silicone feels natural and playful, making brushing time a calm routine. Many owners report their dogs now accept brushing willingly. This durable kit is dishwasher safe and lasts 6 to 12 months with daily use. It's a more economical choice compared to disposable alternatives. Perfectly designed to work as both a cat and dog toothbrush, suitable for all breeds, big or small. Its one-size-fits-all design securely fits any finger, ensuring it stays in place during cleaning for maximum effectiveness. What we like. This toothbrush offers 360-degree cleaning to tackle plaque effectively on all surfaces. Made from food-grade silicone, it's gentle yet durable for your pet's oral hygiene. If you have both cats and dogs and want a single, effective tool for both, this versatile option is a fantastic value. What people say. The suction cup design is a game changer. It sticks firmly to the wall and doesn't fall off. My cat actually lets me brush her teeth with this, which is amazing. The brush head is soft and effective. It's easy to assemble and use. The brush head is replaceable, which is a nice feature. Number 2. Colgate Kids Trolls Extra Soft Toothbrush, 4-pack. Introducing the Colgate Kids Toothbrush featuring Trolls characters. It's designed with extra soft bristles for gentle cleaning. This toothbrush is perfect for children, making brushing fun with beloved Trolls designs. The extra soft bristles ensure a comfortable experience. Keep your bathroom tidy with the built-in suction cup. It easily sticks to most surfaces, keeping the brush upright and clean. The extra soft bristles are ideal for kids' sensitive gums and teeth. It effectively removes plaque for a healthy smile. This value pack includes 4 toothbrushes, ensuring you always have a fresh one ready. Get ready for happy brushing. What we like. Bring some fun to brushing with this toothbrush featuring a popular character design. Its extra soft bristles are gentle on young gums, and the convenient suction cup base keeps it upright and accessible. If you're trying to make toothbrushing a positive experience for a child, this is a great way to get them excited about dental care. What people say. The suction cup is strong and stays put on the tile floor. My cat actually lets me brush her teeth with this toothbrush. The design is clever and my cat enjoys chewing on it, which helps clean her teeth. Number 1. PandaEar Baby Finger Toothbrush 3 Set. Introducing the PandaEar Baby Finger Toothbrush, designed for infants 3 months and older. This set provides a gentle and effective way to start your baby's oral hygiene routine. Crafted from soft, BPA-free silicone, it's safe for your baby's delicate gums and emerging teeth. The gentle material ensures a comfortable cleaning experience. The unique finger design allows for easy control and a natural brushing motion. Simply slip it onto your finger for a secure and effective clean. Encourage good oral hygiene habits from an early age. This toothbrush helps clean teeth and massage gums, promoting a healthy start for your baby's smile. This convenient set includes 3 toothbrushes in pink and blue, ensuring you always have a clean one ready. It's perfect for home or on the go. Specifically designed for infants aged 3 months and up. It's the ideal tool to introduce your baby to brushing and maintain their oral health. What we like. Designed specifically for infants, this toothbrush is made from baby-safe silicone. Its ergonomic shape is easy for parents to hold and maneuver, while the soft bristles gently massage gums. If you have a baby aged 3 months and older and are looking for a safe and gentle way to introduce oral hygiene, this is the perfect starter kit. What people say. The suction cup is strong and stays put on the tile floor. My cat actually lets me brush her teeth with this, which is amazing. The design is clever, allowing the cat to interact with it on its own. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.